Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. My curls were popping. What did you say? I know, talk about a corny intro, right? But anyway, so my hair is up in a bun. I have worn it in a bun since after the 4th of July. I wore my 4th of July hairstyle for about 4 days and have been wearing this high bun ever since. And now it is time to come down. So the star of the show today is Miele's pomegranate and honey twisting souffle. It says it can be used for braid outs, twist outs, and bantu knots, and it provides intense hydration and natural shine. All right, I've got my first flat twist going. I've applied the twisting souffle from root to tip, and then I just begin to flat twist. I'm not an expert at flat twisting, but I think mine come out pretty good. What I also like to do to help get better definition on that flat twist is put a bob pin at the base. So that keeps the twist nice and taut and helps me get better definition. So I think I add a little bit more product to the end of my hair and then apply my end wrap and perm rod. You may not choose to use an end wrap, but with my hair being so fine, I feel like it helps it from getting snagged on those little ridges on the perm rod. All right, so I wanted to show you my hair. This is one reason why I can't do a wash and go to my liking. So my hair is, not only is it different lengths because I have long layers cut in, but I have different textures on my, different hair patterns on my head. So at the crown area, this is the crown, and there's very little definition in it. It won't do anything, it won't crinkle, it won't do anything. But then further down on my head as I go, I got a little bit more definition here and here. And then further down in the back of my head and my nape, it's loose curls. The texture is completely different. It's longer, and then because of the pattern, it hangs longer. So I've got this hair that comes about right here. And then the hair in my crown stops here. So what I noticed with the Miele Organics is that the twisting butter is that on my hair, it does not give me a lot of slip. And I know that I might be a little spoiled from the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy twisting butter, but I can barely get my comb through my hair. And the reason I chose this product is because sometimes I don't have a lot of time to layer products, and this strictly said, it did not mention to use a leave-in or any other accompanying product. So that's why I chose it. All right, so I have finished installing my flat twists. I have a total of 9 twists with perm rods on the end to give me just a nice polished look on my fine hair, my medium density and low density fine hair. I've got medium in the crown and on the sides, and in the back it is absolutely low density. And I do have thyroid disease also, and I know that can definitely impact hair health, cause shedding, hair loss, all those things. So I'm going to air dry, and if necessary, sit under my hooded dryer for a little while to make sure that these twists are dry and I can see what this Miele Organics has done for me. So I ended up sleeping in my perm rods, and it is time for the takedown. And I bobby pinned them up to make it more comfortable to sleep in, and this was my first time trying it, and it actually worked pretty good. So I'm gonna take my perm rods out and get my day started. have just a few, actually just one more twist to take down. And friends, I have to tell you, my hair feels so good. The Miele Organics Twisting Souffle so far proves to be a winner for my fine hair. My hair feels very light and fluffy, and I can feel the moisture. So I'm happy. I feel really good. I'm going to separate and fluff my hair. And the way that I do that, because my hair is fine, I'm just using the pads of my fingertips to kind of massage my roots. This will help me get rid of any lines that are in my hair from the twist out. Flat twist rather. So I just do this all the way around. Wow. This looks so good. I think it looks so pretty. Okay, Miele Organics. So I'm going to continue fluffing. If I feel like I need a little bit more fluff, I do have my pick. And because I want to keep some of this, I want to keep as much definition as I can for as long as I can. When I do pick my hair, I'll go under and do a light lift. Wow. All right. This is it. This is good. My fine hair sisters, you know that sometimes our hair can look see-through because, you know, it's very small in diameter, but there is no see-through here. And to prove it, I'll go stand in front of a lighter background so you know I'm telling the truth. My fine strands really seem to like the Miele Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I really hope you like this video, and if you learned something from it, please comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, remember to keep it naturally corporate.